Ayan, hello po mga kalingap, good morning po, this is Gurgence and welcome back po sa ating YouTube channel. Sa mga bago lang po sa aking YouTube channel, huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe and paklik na rin po ng bell button para lagi po kayong updated sa ating mga bagong upload na video. At syempre po, huwag po ating kalimutan suportahan ng ama ng kalingap, Kuya Val Santos Matubang, Ate Edna Vlog at syempre si Kalingap Rob. At pakisuportahan din po ang aming mga kasamahan sa Butim Kalingap. Nandiyan po ang K-Boys, Kalingap Partner, Kalingap Reactor, at lahat po ng charity vloggers sa buong Pilipinas na tumutulong sa mga kabayan natin na lahat may hirap. Suportahan po natin lahat, guys. So ngayon mga kalingap, dito pa rin po tayo sa Ho Chi Minh, sa Vietnam mga kalingap, kasama sila Lalabs at mga kaibigan po niya at classmates sa law school. And ngayon po mga kalingap, habang nandito po tayo, ay syempre hindi pwedeng hindi tayo magbigay ng reaction video kaugnay sa Jomcar at sa Team Kalingap. Alam niyo ba mga kalingap, may day po. Kung nakita niyo na po mga kalingap, may day po si Carla. Di ko alam kung nakita niyo na po, pero kung gusto niyo pong makita, pwede pong puntahan at bisitahin sa kanyang personal Facebook account, yung may day po ni Carla. Dahil mga kalingap, grabe po mga kalingap, sobrang ganda. Na kahit siya mismo mga kalingap, nagandahan po talaga mismo siya doon sa sarili po niya habang mini-make-upan. At may kita nga po natin doon sa short video clip na yun mga kalingap, yung transformation na nangyari. Although, sabi ko nga dati sa mga live natin, kahit wala ng make-up, sobrang ganda na po ni Carla. Pero guys, nung na-make-upan, talagang mas lalong lumabas yung ganda. Lalong lumabas yung ganda po ni Carla Topolar. So para malaman po natin mga kalingap, ito papapanood ko po sa inyo mga kalingap. Panoorin niyo po ito. Yan po mga kalingap po.
Nakaka-Barbie pa yung yung hairstyle.
Gandang-ganda si Carla sa kahit po, wait mga kalingap. Kahit siya po mga kalingap, sobrang nagandahan talaga siya dun sa sarili niya. Nakita niya kung paano yung naging transformation niya mga kalingap. Tingnan niyo. Nakita niyo dito yung konti-unti nung transformation ng makeup, pag-makeup. Grabe, mas lalong lumabas po yung ganda ni Carla, boss. Yan Grabe, no? Ang galing din ng makeup artist. Ang galing rin po. Ganyan yung transformation. Oh, yun na. Ay, nawala. Nawala po mga kalingap. Wait lang. Kahit siya nang gandang-ganda siya eh. Grabe, gandang-ganda sa transformation niya, guys. Grabe Papa Joms, in love na naman si Papa Joms guys. Grabe guys, ang ganda guys. Grabe no. So ayun po mga kalingap, ano po masasabi po ninyo mga kalingap? Comment down below kung ano po yung masasabi po ninyo sa naging transformation ni Carla after po ng kanyang makeup nung kanyang kaarawan mga kalingap. Alam ko marami pong nangyari po, marami pong nangyari mga kalingap na kabang-abang pa at mga mangyayari pa mga kalingap sa Tambalan Jomcar. Guys, stay tuned lang po mga kalingap at huwag pong kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe at supportahan po natin ang lahat ng upload, vlog ng Team Kalingap, especially ni Kalingap Rob, Kuya Val, and Ate Edna. Maraming po salamat. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye. Sakay po kami ng van papuntang Ho Chi Minh Tunnel. Kasama po yung mga kaibigan po namin ni Becca, ni Lalabs. So, joiners po kami today. Second day in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. And ayun po. Ang kalingap. We'll wait for Lalabs at next year lang po, ma'am.
Simon Cowell, 7
Sir Gate namin, Simon.
Yeah, really famous actor. Yeah, I'm Vietnamese person, younger and handsome. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I was Simon. Everyone just my English name only. My Vietnamese name Duc. D-U-O-C. You give it a try. Duc. Yeah, that's
Duc.
one. But you better call me Simon. Many tourists they call my name in the wrong way, and then it turns on another meaning. Yeah, my Vietnamese name, if you say in the right way, Do, which means good, that's okay. But many tourists they call my name in the wrong way. They say Do. Yeah, and Do, a bad word here. It's really bad, everybody. You wanna know? On the first over 18, right? Yeah, if you say Do, which means fuck. So better call me Simon. Don't try to call my Vietnamese name, everybody. Yeah. And in this morning, everyone, we gathered together. Yeah, our group we come from many countries. Four of us, one country, India. Yeah, and Singapore, everyone, we come from Philippines. Yeah, you two guys, Simon, come from Cambodia. Yeah, Vietnam. And we gathered together in this morning, everyone. So now we're on the way go to the tunnel. On the way from here to the tunnel, it's really far. Around 2 hours, everyone. 2 hours to get there. Don't worry, it's quite far, but it's worth everybody to spend our time. Why? About the tunnel, one of the most famous tourist attraction in the Ho Chi Minh City. About the tunnel, everyone, one of the most famous tourist attraction in Ho Chi Minh City, everyone. Thousands of tourists, they go there every day. That is the reason for the way from here to the tunnel. We try our best to go there earlier. To avoid all the tourists, everyone. If we come too late, tourists everywhere. No more space to go, everybody. Yeah. That is the reason from here to the tunnel. We don't stop. Yeah. Can you pass this for me, please? Yeah. Finish. Thank you so much. Okay, got you back. Thank you. All right. And most of us, everyone, the first time ever we come to Vietnam, right? Some of us, you've been here the second time. Yeah. So, what is your first impression about Ho Chi Minh City? Can you share me?
Healthy.
Healthy. Why? What is healthy here? In the city. This city healthy.
You love vegetables.
The yellow vegetable, right? Yeah, so Vietnam is planned for you. We combine many kind of vegetables together. Yeah. If you want, everyone, later I'm gonna recommend you a food. Yeah, also my favorite food in Vietnam. They have many kind of vegetables together. Yeah.
Vegetable na naman. Vegetable na naman.
This is a vegetable, right?
Wag na.
We call the name.
Hindi naman niya alam yun.
Have you ever tried that one? Our Vietnamese food, everyone, we call the name bún thịt nướng. Yeah, like barbecue pork, fried spring roll, and rice noodle together. Yeah. If you want later after the tour, we're gonna go there. We enjoy together. Yeah. But I track you more there. And let me show you something, everyone, about my boring city before we leave here. Yeah, it's boring here. Yeah, to be honest, come here once is enough. Yeah, don't come back here. Once is enough, just to experience yeah. About this city, everyone, we have two names: Saigon and Ho Chi Minh City. Saigon is the old names used by the French, everybody. Yeah. In the past, Vietnam was also under control by the French for a very long time. Yeah, almost 100 years.
Boring though, guys.
1858 until 1954, almost 100 years like that. And during that time, the French, they call the name Saigon. Yeah. When the French they left Vietnam, everyone. Also after the war time, we renamed this city one more time from Saigon to Ho Chi Minh City to commemorate Ho Chi Minh, the first president ever. Yeah. Some of us we've been to Hanoi before, right? 2 of us only. Yeah. Did you go to Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum? We also went over there. Did you get there? Yeah. Did you go? Not yet. I mean about the place they bury him over there. Not yet. Yeah. If you go to Hanoi, everyone, they have the place over there. We call the name Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. Yeah. If you go inside, you're gonna see his body over there, the real one. Yeah.
So ayun po mga kalingap, nagpapaliwanag po si tour guide ng history ng Ho Chi Minh. So end ko na yung vlog dito. Bye bye, God bless.